This short film tells a story that happens more often than we think. Sometimes, discrimination doesn't come as shouting or violence. It shows up in small jokes, quiet stares, or the silence of people who choose not to speak up. Through the experience of one friend, we see how painful words can be, but we also see how friends can listen, reflect, and make things right. Because change doesn't need grand actions. It begins with simple moments of understanding, kindness, and courage. This is a reminder that respect should never depend on who someone loves or how they express themselves. Everyone deserves to feel safe, accepted, and seen.
Ako nga din Bay. Wala si Alex kamayot.
Uy, Alex, ikaw doon eh. Bagay kayo.
Hindi siguro na nindot na joke, Chris.
Relax draw, oy. Wala mo kong gibuhat dito upan.
Kasi ni-overthink ko na mga
Chris and Marco don't realize it, but their words already hurt Alex. Even small words can make someone feel like they don't belong.
Hoy, Alex! Okay ra ka?
Kapoy na. Perminti mo kung makadong ka ng joke. Pero wala lang. Pero sakit.
Saan ka ayo ha? Malagi ko na kahunahon na ngayon nanay mong ibaka.
Pero nga man. Nga inana man ng mga tao. Wala may dautan sa kuha. Pero nga murag sayop. Murag sayop na lahi. Ba?
This is the reality for many LGBTQ plus individuals. They are made to feel like they don't belong just because of who they are.